Want to downgrade your NFL Sunday ticket plan and save some money? In this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, you want to open up the NFL Sunday Ticket app or head to the official Sunday Ticket website, then sign into your account. Next, go to account settings or the subscription section. You'll see your current plan details. Tap manage plan, then choose change plan or downgrade. Select the lower tier you want, whether that means dropping Red Zone, removing add-ons, or switching back to base Sunday ticket package. Confirm your choice and downgrade will be scheduled for your next billing cycle. If you have subscribed through YouTube TV, open the YouTube TV app or go to tv.youtube.com. Then tap your profile picture, go to membership and find NFL Sunday Ticket, then tap manage. From there, uncheck the add-ons or switch back to the base plan. Keep in mind your current cycle will stay active until the billing period ends, so changes usually take effect at the start of next cycle. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.